here's how to add contact to WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a specific contact to your WhatsApp application on the iPhone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and of course launch the WhatsApp application. And once you're already here, if you want to go ahead and create a new contact from your contacts application, in this, of course, what we need to do first is to go ahead and tap on this option right here if you want to go ahead and proceed with adding a contact. So you can see your communities over here. You can also see your calls that you've done and also the WhatsApp status if you prefer to go ahead and add. But if you prefer to add a specific contact, we need to go ahead on chats, and let's go ahead and tap on this new inbox option. And as you see, let's tap on new contact. Now from here, you can actually go ahead now and go to the contacts application on your phone applications on the iPhone and view your contacts over here. Now, in the case that you want to go ahead and add a contact right here, we need to go ahead and choose that person first, and let's go ahead and choose this sample person. To copy their phone number, just go ahead and tap on their phone number like so, or rather long press on their phone number to basically copy it. Now proceed with adding that phone number right here, and do take note of the specific country of the person, and basically make sure that the specific country is set to their country that you want to go ahead and add to. So go ahead and proceed with pasting their phone number right here. And you also need to go ahead and tap on, enter their first name or your preferred name. You can also go ahead and copy their name on your contacts on your phone application. Let's just go ahead and copy that. And once all of the necessary details is added, tap on save. And now you could go ahead and invite this person to WhatsApp in the case that they don't have a WhatsApp application or a WhatsApp account just yet, and proceed with contacting them and talking to them on the WhatsApp application. Now it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.